Stonebwoy don't descend on Shatta house. For now, we don't know what to be Shatta house. For the last 2 years, they suspend Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale from Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. I just say many of they can relate to that name. You understand? Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. They suspend them because of the matter wey happen for now. We remember, you get one issue where person bring out gun, person no bring out gun. I know even once that they mention names and bringing old matters. I just they bring out so that I go remember. Because of that issue, they suspended since 2019. You know. Now these two people no even they smell that place. And now my people, as I talk to now, the VGMA don't decide say that they leave the band. So now, according to them, they say Shatta and Stonebwoy they fit come back, and they hope say the thing wey happen before it no go repeat itself again. So now they fit participate. For the subsequent of the VGMA. If they want to, that one they part, you understand? So my people, now the matter where I bring for now. And right now, Shatta Wale himself don't already blast Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. You know say that one originally, naturally, in head always a touch. So imagine when you can't look for in trouble. Hey, you just touch the tiger by the tail. Shatta Wale don't blast them all. If they talk, una no Shatta now. You know they waste time. You don't tell them say it good make some people use their head. In fact, I don't want to use my own English because you know go sweet. So for now, when I know be Shatta Wale, and I never hear this matter. Join me, make we listen to King Dance Hall.
Put me for fire, I go talk. Put me for water, I go talk. Man, no they fear anything. So always I tell people, say, you see me, I know they fear man because you see the word of God be what me are they live by. I get what I'm saying. What are they can't talk? What be the problem? We don't be any problem. You understand me? We dey Ghana here where we do on a business. I get what I'm saying. Everybody they go about in business. I get what I'm saying. But some people just think themselves like if be them they be musician union, musicians that are union, where they control musicians. So they make their mind say anything, they won't just talk like it be them they control. Yo, make I tell you something. You see, make I just make this thing clear to Shatta house. And this thing they talk them again. Don't think you can fool us. You understand me? Because you are not controlling the musicians union. You don't have that power, that mandate to control the musicians union. I get what I'm saying. Sometimes Ghanaians, let's think small. You understand me? Make we think small. Make you people not make my first start just see my first start. It be big things. Me at the top this thing always. Would that country where nobody won't reason as make somebody tell the president, see how you see the way the things Shatta has to do. Shatta with the bomb, with the vest, you understand me? With the vest. You understand what I'm saying? The man go travel, go some country, they go to say, oh, they ban you for award. Award where man no they get anything for inside too. Then they say they ban you. Who be that? What be that? Who be you? If you said God, all nonsense be that. Maybe we stop my way, we can't talk, say, make they ban more. But you see me, don't come and spoil my business. Don't come and spoil my name self where you go mention for that place. They like as if I work for your office. You ban Shatta Wale and Stonebwoy. Jimmy now there. Who can say me to mamu? You feel say I sing for you people. Or if I do work for you people. Because if you can't music union where they make weak. That's why you people come they do like multi brofo. Yeah, brofo, yeah, was street so we are about street life.
My people, una hear about ourselves. I don't know why, but anytime we Shatta they talk, like it beat me like the thing they give me some connect love inside. I know to say I just they understand. But if you come, I go Grisha. I beg on to Stonebwoy part. Now Stonebwoy on at the latest. Stonebwoy just dropped this one as at yesterday. My people, this matter, they go on, and I don't know when it go finish. And right now, Stonebwoy don't go tweeting on part of this thing. That one no do video. And he tell them say it takes nothing from you to meet the artist and communicate with them before posting it to the public. In they talk about the band where they lift, you understand? And according to Stonebwoy problem be say if una want leave the band, Ungwano, you suspended us, everybody knew about it. So when it's time for you to bring us back, according to them, you understand? Stonebwoy won't make them bring them back, sit them down, get this meeting done. You understand? Before they can start a poster for public, they make plenty noise about the matter. And I support them. I support two of them because see, you know if you just they suspend and bring people back anyhow you like say they no get job, like say they don't know what they do. No, nah. We know they talk about small children here. We they talk about two of the biggest artists for this country. So it get how you suppose even treat themselves. And una go even notice Stonebwoy even highlights if you so desire. You understand? Because they write am for their own letter. So Stonebwoy too come bring am out because they see the pain. And this if you so desire, una know wetin e mean. E mean say e no be from their heart oh. But they talk about the Vodafone people now. Not be from their heart, they just they do am. You understand? Make we just if una want make una come. And they try hide down, they try enter corner road. See, if you want to apologize, or if you want to beg them to come back, do it straightforward. You don't need to start a beat around the bush. After you speak plenty grammar, you can't tell them say if they so desire. If they so desire waiting. Simple. Shatta, Stonebwoy, considering the fact that allow me speak more English, you understand? Considering the fact that we have been suspended for 2 years now, we have decided to call you people. See, just simple something now. You don't they call you suspend people for 2 years. The period long go. 2 good years. In fact, now as this thing happen now, I even remember say they been suspended safe. Because people don't even forget about the matter. You can't decide now to bring them back. And you know, let them know. Now on social media, now everybody can't find out, say, these people don't leave the band. These people. Make I tell you a simple thing. When I know say me, I always they bring una truth. And I said, it the horse, now side they drop her. You understand? After I look left, right, up, down for this matter, now only one conclusion I get. And I just say me no una go even agree with me. Right now, this VGMA, they need money. No, are they talking the way they be? They need money now. You understand? They don't discover, say, without Shatta Wale and Stonebwoy, the business will collapse. You understand? As I talked before, this is in fact, two of the biggest artists in this country. And imagine, you know, say when they do this VGMA, they nominate people, they do all those things, they vote. And the voting no be free now money. So imagine the number of fans where these two people get. Join them together. Come see money now. So these people now waiting, they don't sit down and think and say, okay, how we feel, and now the conclusion now where they don't come. Me, I get head though, and I get sense. Because you know go just after 2 years. Okay, why since this thing happened 2019, how come 2020 they no sit down and say, okay, we made these people come or something? How come? So now 2 years. I beg you, I am sorry to surprise you people. Which English I won't use. Biko, I'm sorry to inform you. VGMA. Right now, Shatta Wale and Stonebwoy, their eye don't tear. If now last 3 years, they no even feel come out tell you anything. They feel even consider them, but nah, their eye don't tear. See, they don't need all these small Ghana awards again. Hello, you know who they talk about? Stonebwoy, Shatta. They know they look all this right now. Where these people mind there, all those Grammy awards, all those, you understand? Bigger things. So make una know just sit down. Because additionally, say as they do this thing now, for their mind, they think say Shatta and Stonebwoy go happy, they go even beg them, they go even hug them. I beg gone are those days. Oh, now everybody don't they put themselves for their level. See, make I just give una some more advice. I'm not to say it go work, but if it work, you understand? So if I be una, if una they show say truly una want save this una business, so una they do. It is just one simple thing. Call these people and every other person on board. Put everybody for table. Make una discuss this thing. You understand? Now the only way, if you even need apologize, I don't even know who need to give who apology, but now una no matter where una dey settle. Me, I just dey give una advice. So sit everybody down, make everybody dey there and announce it that okay, we are sorry for posting this thing on social media before letting you people know. Something, just try settle am. I no talk say e go work, because I tell una before, these people dey aim high now, their eye don dey another place. But if it work, you understand, that one na be good, na be the way, oh, if you ask me, because you no go dey treat people. See, people dey work hard, and nobody one day insulted by anybody, no matter how big you think say you be. Everybody dey give their self level, and you no go fit come disrespect people or dey control people on top their own sweat. No. You know how long these two people don dey work to get the name and the brand wey they don make, wey just like that you feel say you go dey control them like say it's not possible. Me, I stand by them. Wetin they talk, e make total sense. So abeg, in case of next time, if you want do something, VGMA, biko, apply respect, you understand, and apply communication. E dey very very important. My people, now I say make I bring for una now. Now the latest one wey dey ground now. Shatta no gree, Stonebwoy no gree. Wetin una think? Drop am for the comment section. And in case you never share, subscribe this video. Very very important. Start dey do them. Nah. Stay tuned for our next story.